Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change out the transmission oil on your Beta 125 or 200 RR. Now some people like to do this every couple hours. I like to do it at least every 10 hours of use. And with that being said, it's just basic maintenance. You got to get it done. So let's go ahead and get started. Start out by removing your skid plate. Then we're going to wipe off this drain bolt underneath. We're going to use our 13mm socket to remove it. We've got our drain pan underneath the bike. Now on the right engine cover, you've got this oil fill cap you want to remove. We're going to wipe any dirt away from that as well. I'm going to clean off this drain plug as well. You want to inspect that O-ring and make sure it's in good condition. And replace it if it's torn or looks worn out. Next, we'll clean the sealing surface. Reinstall the drain plug and torque it to spec. Then we're using a little contact cleaner and a rag to clean up any residual oil. From here, we can go ahead and fill the engine up with 720 milliliters of 10W50 oil. After that, we can reinstall the filler cap and our skid plate. Now right behind your brake pedal return spring is a check bolt for the oil level. If you're going to use this and you didn't measure your oil, what you want to do is make sure the bike is completely level. You'll remove that and you'll wait till you see a little bit of oil coming out of that check hole. You can let it drain all the way out with the bike level and then reinstall the bolt and you'll be at the correct height. And that's how you change the transmission oil on your Beta 125 or 200. If you have any questions, leave those down in the comments. And if you need any parts for your bike, you can click the link in the description below. That's going to take you over to our website where we've got oil, air filters, spark plugs, all kinds of service items for your Beta. So go check that out and take advantage of the free shipping on orders over $75. Now, if you want to see more helpful content like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.